How to download CapCut in iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to download a fantastic video editing app on your iPhone. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, CapCut has something for everyone. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the App Store icon. Then use the search bar at the bottom of the screen to type in CapCut and hit search. Click on CapCut. Now you'll see the CapCut app page with information about the app. To download it, simply tap the Get button next to the app's icon. I have already downloaded it. Depending on your iPhone setting, you may need to verify the downloaded with your Touch ID, Face ID or enter your Apple ID with password. Go ahead and complete this step. CapCut will start downloading and installing on your iPhone. This might take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is completed, you will see the CapCut app icon on your home screen. Tap on it and open the app. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded CapCut on your iPhone. Now you can start editing amazing videos right from your mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any question or need any further assistance, leave them in comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.